Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all.
Hello and welcome to another Craftmas video. Today I'm sharing another one of my December daily albums. This is 2019 and I love the plaid. It is my decorations for our home during the Christmas and winter season are plaid, so this fit in perfectly. So this was 2019. I just did my classic. I wrapped the album. This is a Stampin' Up album. And I wrapped the album, the front and the back, and then I added my ribbon. And then I added the year. And I always tend to do a lot of gold for Christmas. It is the time that I break out my gold embossing powder, my glimmer paper, my foil paper, and I really love going to town with the gold. On here, I just used my die cut machine. I think I used my Cricut to cut this out and to do my die cut there. I think that's several pieces stacked up. We got snow at the very beginning of December, or that might have been hail. We very rarely get that. So that was fun to document. I used some vellum to do some journaling, and then we're watching Christmas movies. Our favorite, for the longest time, Andrew thought that Tim Allen was Santa Claus because we've watched the Santa Claus movies his whole life. This is my favorite Christmas song, so you can see that I'm just incorporating some things about Christmas. This isn't a photo, it's not, but it is my favorite Christmas song, and so I just typed out the lyrics, and this is outside of a page protector. And then a picture of our Christmas tree, decorating our Christmas tree. Starbucks, there's always something about Starbucks or hot cocoa. I did a lot of writing on my photos with like a Posca pen, a paint pen is what I did a lot of for this season. This is the wrapping paper that I used. Some decorations. I had my nails really pretty for Christmas, my Christmas lotion and spray, a new snowman. I love snowman. I collect them. It's the thing that I put out every Christmas, and I actually leave them up through winter. So they come out at the end of November and they don't get put away until February. How we listen to our Christmas music, different decorations. This one, here's the, in one of my other videos, I talk about the decorations on the windows, businesses painting. And then you can see, I don't know why that sticky note is there. I'm going to go ahead and take it out, but maybe this was because I needed to do the 16th story. This was outside of the page protector, celebrating. Yeah, that was probably the 16th story. Here, looking at Christmas lights. A great tip for if you're trying to photograph Christmas lights and you're driving, like we were driving through this, and it can be really hard to snap a photo, particularly out the window, you're driving. So what I always do is I always do a video, like these trees, this right here. I do a video and then I go back and I play the video and I do screenshots of my video, and that's how I get a crisper photo. So that's a tip. Here's 19, didn't even get attached. It's just in the pocket. Doing Christmas cards. Here is one of the kids' play. Again, my numbers did not even get attached. That was 20. And then here is 21, Christmas cookie play, and then Christmas cookies for 22. Everybody just hanging out for Christmas dinner. My kitchen does not have the best lighting, so photos of food and us eating and baking and cooking, they never come out great. Here is Christmas morning, just opening gifts, all of the things. And then again, I have a pocket. Now, I know that there have been questions about these 6x8 plastic pockets that I have in my albums. And this was a Stampin' Up product. It was the 6x8 pocket. It was the Project Life by Stampin' Up. And when Stampin' Up discontinued that line and we stopped working with Becky Higgins, I just purchased 100 of these. Like they went on the clearance rack, and I'm telling you, I've been using these for years, and I probably have 60 more of them. Like I just bought a bunch of them at the time, and I'm so glad I did. They're amazing. They go right in the back pocket. You can do this with a page protector if you want. It will work the same. I've done that where I just take a regular page protector and then I just add extra things to it, so you can always do that. So that was 2019 for my December daily album. Down in the description box below, you are going to see any other crafters who have joined me for Craftmas. Some of them are doing a video a day like I am, or some of them are just hit and miss and are just doing a couple throughout the month. But anybody who has reached out to me who is doing it will be in the description box below. I encourage you to go hang out with them, to check their videos out, leave them a comment, and I will catch you in my next Craftmas video.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.